For centuries, certain spices have been used in traditional medicine across the world, not just for flavor, but for healing. And now, modern science is finally catching up, confirming what ancient cultures already knew. These powerful natural ingredients can support strength, energy, and longevity, especially as we age. In today's video, I'm going to reveal one remarkable spice. You don't need to cook with it, mix it into a smoothie, or even take it as a supplement. All it takes is chewing it. Yes, chewing it. For just 60 seconds a day, and you can unlock a chain of health benefits that support your muscles, brain, joints, and immune system. It's simple. It's natural. It works with your body, not against it. So if you're over 50 and ready to feel stronger, more alert, and more energized without reaching for another pill, tap that subscribe button now. Let's get started. Why seniors lose strength with age. As we get older, our bodies naturally go through changes. One of the most important, but often overlooked, changes is muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Starting around age 50, most adults lose about 1% of their muscle mass every year. That might not sound like a lot, but over time it adds up, and it shows. You might notice it when climbing stairs becomes harder, when your balance feels a little off, or when everyday activities like lifting groceries or standing up from a chair feel more tiring than they used to. But sarcopenia doesn't just affect your muscles, it affects your independence, mobility, and even your metabolism. Less muscle means a slower metabolism, more body fat, and higher risk of chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes and osteoporosis. And here's something even more critical. As muscle decreases, inflammation tends to increase, and chronic inflammation, especially in older adults, can worsen fatigue, impair blood circulation, and damage nerves and tissues that help you move and feel strong. Poor circulation, stiff joints, aching legs, even brain fog. Many of these are connected to this gradual weakening process, and unless we intervene, the cycle continues. Age-related muscle loss isn't inevitable. It can be slowed and even reversed with the right habits. That's where today's simple kitchen spice comes in. It's not magic, but it is backed by science. The power of natural remedies in aging. Today's seniors are wiser than ever. They've seen decades of medical trends come and go, and many are choosing to return to natural, science-backed solutions for their health. And it makes sense. Why flood your body with synthetic chemicals when time-tested, plant-based options can help support your body, gently and effectively? Herbs and spices in particular have been used for centuries in cultures around the world to support circulation, strength, digestion, memory, and vitality. From the turmeric fields of India to the herbal teas of China and the spice markets of the Middle East, people have relied on these natural ingredients to boost their body's resilience. Natural doesn't mean unscientific. Modern research is now validating many of these age-old practices. Scientists are finding that specific herbs and spices contain bioactive compounds, that's a fancy way of saying tiny plant nutrients, that make a big impact on your cells, blood vessels, nerves, and muscles. These remedies are often safer, more affordable, and come with fewer side effects than many over-the-counter or prescription medications. Of course, always check with your doctor before making changes, especially if you're on medication. But the potential here is real. And today, I want to shine a spotlight on one of the most powerful and often overlooked spices that has amazing benefits for seniors. The spice we're talking about today is clove. Yes, those tiny dark brown buds you've seen in your spice rack or in warm holiday drinks. Don't let their size fool you. Cloves are nutritional gems. What makes clove so remarkable for aging adults is because it contains a compound called eugenol. Eugenol is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that's been shown in multiple studies to improve blood circulation, reduce oxidative stress on cells, support pain relief, and reduce inflammation. Even provide antibacterial benefits for your mouth and gut. When you chew 1 or 2 whole cloves for 60 seconds, something amazing happens. First, it stimulates saliva and digestion. That means better nutrient absorption and less bloating after meals. Second, eugenol enters your bloodstream through the lining of your mouth, enhancing circulation and nerve responsiveness, which can support sharper thinking, more steady energy, and even improved sensitivity in the hands and feet. Third, chewing clove also acts like a natural breath freshener, while its mild numbing effect can soothe sore gums or toothaches. A research from journals like Phytotherapy Research and Journal of Medicinal Food highlights how regular clove consumption, whether chewed, brewed in tea, or added to meals, may help lower inflammation markers, improve liver function, and even support glucose balance in people with type 2 diabetes. Now imagine more strength, better blood flow, less inflammation, sharper digestion, all from chewing a natural spice for just 60 seconds a day. It's simple, it's affordable, and it's something almost anyone can try, safely and naturally. Scientific research behind the claim. You might be wondering, this all sounds good, but is there actual science behind chewing cloves? The answer is a resounding yes. Let's look at what the research says. A study published in the Journal of Natural Medicine found that compounds in cloves, especially eugenol, help reduce systemic inflammation. Inflammation, as we know, is at the root of many chronic conditions that affect older adults, like arthritis, heart disease, and fatigue. By lowering those inflammation levels, clove may help reduce joint pain, stiffness, and even brain fog. Another clinical study in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that clove extract helps regulate blood sugar levels. For seniors managing type 2 diabetes or insulin sensitivity, this is significant. Stabilized blood sugar means more steady energy, better mood, and fewer cravings during the day. Clove oil has also been used for centuries in natural pain relief, and now we know why. Eugenol works as a mild local anesthetic. It's so effective that many dentists have used it to relieve gum and tooth pain. For muscle aches or tension, clove oil may also aid in muscle recovery, especially when used alongside stretching or massage. There's also growing interest in clove's impact on testosterone support and vitality in men. Some animal studies show promising signs that clove extract may naturally enhance hormonal balance and reproductive health. While more human research is needed, it's an exciting development for those concerned about declining energy and muscle strength with age. Finally, let's not forget the digestive benefits. Clove is a known carminative, meaning it reduces gas, bloating, and indigestion. It also supports gut health by reducing harmful bacteria while promoting good ones. So when we say chew a clove and feel the difference, we're not just quoting folklore, we're echoing science. How to use it safely. Here's how to chew cloves safely and get the most benefit without any side effects. Start small. Just 1 to 2 whole cloves per day is enough. You can place the clove in your mouth, usually near the back teeth, and gently chew on it for about 60 seconds. You'll feel a warm, slightly numbing sensation, and that's completely normal. Some people like to continue gently chewing, or simply hold it in their cheek for a bit longer. Important note: don't swallow the clove whole. Whole cloves are woody and hard to digest. You can spit it out after chewing, or if it becomes soft, you can swallow the pulp, but only if your stomach tolerates it. Best time to use. Morning is ideal. Right after waking up or 30 minutes before a meal is when your body is most receptive. Chewing a clove before breakfast can kickstart digestion, boost circulation, and gently wake up your mind and body for the day. Now, a word of caution. Not everyone should use clove in this way. If you're on blood thinners, such as warfarin or aspirin, cloves may increase the risk of bleeding because of their mild blood-thinning effects. If you have a stomach ulcer, the strong oils in cloves might irritate the lining of your stomach further. And of course, if you're unsure, always talk to your doctor first, especially if you're managing multiple medications or health conditions. Remember, natural doesn't always mean risk-free. But when used mindfully, cloves can be a powerful, accessible tool in your daily health routine. Other spices that work together. While clove alone is powerful, imagine what happens when it's combined with other natural anti-inflammatory superstars. Let's start with cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, just like clove, but it also supports brain health by boosting circulation to the brain and reducing oxidative stress. This makes it a fantastic companion for seniors looking to stay sharp and energetic. Next spice to combine with clove is turmeric. You've probably heard about turmeric's incredible anti-inflammatory properties, largely thanks to a compound called curcumin. When combined with clove, turmeric helps reduce joint pain, stiffness, and chronic inflammation that often comes with aging. The duo works synergistically to ease discomfort while boosting overall cellular health. Again, ginger. Ginger is a digestion booster and circulation enhancer. It soothes the stomach, calms inflammation, and increases blood flow, especially to the limbs and brain. For seniors experiencing cold hands or feet or occasional dizziness, ginger can be a game changer. So how do you use all these spices together? You can create a morning anti-aging tea by steeping clove, ginger slices, and a dash of cinnamon in hot water. Add a pinch of turmeric and a drop of black pepper for absorption, and you've got a healing elixir that supports your body from the inside out. Alternatively, sprinkle cinnamon or turmeric into warm oatmeal, blend ginger and turmeric into a smoothie, or chew a thin slice of fresh ginger after a meal. These spices don't just taste good, they work together to calm inflammation, protect your brain, support your joints, and energize your cells. Expected results. So, what can you realistically expect when you start chewing clove or adding these spices into your routine? Let's break it down week by week. Week 1. You may notice better digestion and less bloating. Clove and ginger stimulate enzymes that help break down food more efficiently. You might also experience more consistent energy levels throughout the day. No more mid-morning crashes. Week 2 to 3. This is where the deeper benefits start to kick in. Many seniors report improved circulation, which may mean warmer hands and feet, fewer leg cramps, and more mental alertness. If you suffer from joint discomfort or inflammation, this is the point where you may feel some relief in mobility and stiffness, especially when combined with gentle movement. By 1 month, if you've stayed consistent, you'll likely feel a noticeable boost in stamina. Tasks that used to drain you may feel easier. Clove's compounds are supporting your gut, brain, and blood flow, so it's common to feel sharper mentally, lighter physically, and more balanced emotionally. And if you've paired it with cinnamon and turmeric, the anti-aging benefits multiply. Remember, this isn't magic. It's science-backed consistency. When you fuel your body with natural healing compounds every day, your body responds with strength, clarity, and resilience. Let's wrap it all up with one simple truth. One spice. Big change. You've just discovered how something as small and natural as a clove, something that may already be sitting in your kitchen, can unlock strength, energy, and clarity when used with intention. Just 60 seconds of chewing this powerful spice daily can help boost circulation, ease inflammation, support digestion, and even sharpen your mind. But here's the bigger picture. This isn't just about cloves. It's about realizing that your body still has power. It's about understanding that aging doesn't have to mean slowing down. It can mean getting smarter, getting stronger, and living more purposefully, naturally, because you're never too old to feel powerful again. And sometimes, the answer isn't in a complicated prescription or a new supplement. It's in the simple, healing gifts of nature. So whether you start with one clove or a full morning ritual that includes cinnamon, ginger, or turmeric, the most important step is this: just start. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're going to try this spice today. Let us know how it feels for you in a few days. And if you believe that natural strength, better health, and vibrant aging should be for everyone, like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who deserves to feel strong again, too.